The National Farmers' Day celebration was instituted in Ghana in 1985 with the sole objective to reward hard-working farmers in the country. It could be recalled, however, that the 2012 running mate of the Convention People's Party, Nana Akosua-Frimpomaa Sarpong Kumankumah, described the celebration of the day as a mockery to farmers. According to her, the day has been wrongly celebrated over the years and is therefore calling for a total overhaul of the system to give significance to the day. She used the opportunity to wish all farmers across the country, especially the poor ones who have been neglected, a happy day celebration.
The big question for me has been, what is the significance, what is the importance, how does it affect and impact the lives of the farmer? In giving me a holiday, giving my workers a holiday, giving the civil servant who is paid based on the contribution of the farmer a holiday, and the farmer himself or herself being on the farm today, what is the significance of it? What is the impact? And so we as a nation decide that we are going to ask these kind of questions and then go ahead and make sure that the importance of the day, we don't lose its significance. Was it supposed to recognize farmers all across the country, the hardworking farmers, or it's just a day that we do lip service and a populist statement to farmers just to let them know that we appreciate them as a political gain? If it's not, then we really need to revisit this whole issue again. Back in 2013, I did make a statement that the Farmers' Day has become like a mockery to farmers. Because having traveled across the country, I realized that most of the farmers, especially those in my village, in the Mine Crew, still go to the farm on 6th December. Today, are they off or they are celebrating as we are back in our homes? Or they are farming? If they are farming, then I'm here to tell the nation that we have failed as a people. And for that reason, we really need to take this serious. Otherwise, it's just a mockery of them, and it's just we taking something to make it look as if we care. But when people know you don't care, and you do things that shows that you care, it is not in the right taste. On this day, let me still go ahead and say to all the farmers out everywhere, those of you who we are celebrating for, but can't afford to celebrate, you just don't have that luxury. If you don't go to farm today, there'll be no food for you. For all of you out there, I say ayiko for your contribution, and that we hope that one of these days there will be a government that would recognize your effort and put in place all the benefits that will lift you to where you really belong to.
6 years down the lane, several groups of farmers do not see the relevance of observing the day. CPP TV, in an interaction with some farmers in the Shai Osudoku district, including the 2014 best farmer for exotic and vegetable crops in the area, Stephen Joachim Okansi, reiterated what was said by Nana Akosua-Frimpomaa years back.
I think the relevance of agriculture today is not what I am seeing. That is why I have chosen to be on my farm rather than be at the background. It is because what I think personally should be giving farmers to, one way or the other, energize them to do the work from the depth of their heart is not given out. They suffer for nothing. That is one thing I can say. I have the experience on the farm that I am suffering though, but that is what I've chosen to do. Therefore, I'm doing it. 2 months ago, my okra farm for about 3 acres was abandoned. The market ladies failed to come and buy, and today that is a loss to me. Nobody has come to my aid to even find out why is it this way. How do we help you retrieve something from these losses? But I'm fine, I'm still on it. It is my prayer that the government will help the extension officers to put things in order, that some of us who are very serious in agriculture will help us market our produce. In 2014, I was awarded the best exotic vegetable farmer of Shai Osudoku district. Let me be sincere with you. it has not contributed into the development of agriculture on my farm. I had to do all alone. Nothing came from anywhere to support me do the work. And I think it's wrong for things to be going this way. I, for one, I use one cutlass for about 2 years and I don't buy one. But today, if I should display something on the board for me to be given anything, is a cutlass. And what will a cutlass do to me personally? Prices of fertilizer, fine. Today we say it has been subsidized. It's okay. Pesticides and some other things, insecticides, those things are so much expensive that if you are operating on a farm like mine and you don't have any help anywhere, you cannot, continue with your farming. I am personally saying that Farmers' Day celebration is a mockery to farmers.
Apart from views expressed by Stephen Joachim Okansi, some young farmers in the area also lamented the worrying recycled problems in the agricultural sector, crop farming and poultry, which needs to be addressed to make the celebration of the Farmers' Day more relevant.
Na yentimi nko honumu. Sawa hu, sisi ade mi wo ma be 4 ana 9. Omo nyinya ko school. Sawa se na sisi ade brode no ebu. Sawa omo ba sa obeto sa. Ba kon se ya omo di ba ma 7 cedi. Onu po omo nto. Enu ye problem ba kon ma ye. Sisi ade mi ngo ba mienu na omo wi SS. Omo pese on back of university. Me nya sika. Se mi di ko eyi administration wa num so mi hiamwa ana ye hiamwa wo ha num. Omo fi ye. Sawa hu we de ma ye nya enije se ye betimi akọ Farmers' Day. Government un so nim wa ye. Sawa hu. Saudi ko ho num tu a on beka se wo de ko ye ba omo fi ye. Officer so pu ejuma 12 o'clock so be didi e ye duani nia na obedi. Se ye di ba ha num so omo fi ye. Oh, your problem back on ye wo size sudoku government no em why
free titi me papa odo sa me so my course school do sa me do up class me starting class 1 up to GSS don kwa me di course school but ye nyam fa so bia wo so say me see me do biom because udi obeya ekwa no obenya niama no bebre so odi kwadwa omunto niama tomatoes pepper jene Niamanema bebre say ko dwa mu nto say pese sisi a government no won na nya say ye ekwa na nya customers no mu nto aduanu o mu nto ye niama no amaye uko obi mauska say ye do na ye akwa so ye akwa no wi a ubenya niama no ba niama no so di ko dwa mu nto e fa be fa asano be tiaska no man nipa ko no won one so ebia edu sa Farmers' Day say and Farmers' Day say ebia government nu be ebia obesuma se omu ko ekra no mu ko hwe ankrofo omu farm no mu di ba government size no mu bua farmers nu ba obesuma agric for no mu ma agric for no obesuma se ko nkra ho no mu ko omu ma onu na pese yenko we nu Farmers' Day nu